Hello guys, welcome to this channel where I'm going to document. I'm kind of documenting what I'm learning on Python, and if not on daily basis, I will try to upload videos as soon as possible on getting time and on the basis of what I'm learning. So welcome to this channel, and in this video I will talk about if statement uh, in a more advanced way, and that is that we will include one more thing to if statement, and that is else. So if you remember in my last video I told you about if statement, right? And it was just a very simple statement where some condition was given. We were giving some condition, and based on that condition we were printing something, or we were doing something, right? Or we were just like, you can do anything here. You can write anything or whatever you want, something. So last video we just tried to cover this aspect, right? We were not telling anything what happened if the condition is not true. In our case, in the last video, if this condition was not true, then in that case there was no output in the console, right? For example, in order to give you a quick recap, suppose if 3 is greater than 2, which is true. In this case, uh, print bingo. Okay, I'm going to save this program as if else, because this is going to be the exact topic. So yeah, I want to replace. So okay, so in this case the output will be true, okay, because the condition is true. What if the condition is false? That means we just reverse the rule, or we just provide some output where the condition is not good or true. So yeah, in this case there is not any output, right? What we are going to learn in this video is that is kind of an extension of if statement, where if some condition is not happening, then there should be some other condition which must be happening, right? And we can just give something a name to it. For an example, suppose if you don't have money, if you have money, suppose the condition is that if you have money, then you are going to watch the movie, okay? Else you don't have money and you are going to sit in your home, okay? So this is one example where I'm going to take this video to. So basically we are going to talk about if else statement, okay? And if the condition which is given in the if statement is not true, then do the condition which is given in the else statement, okay? So what we're going to do is I will just take a very basic example, and for that, suppose we are taking some value, right? We are taking some value and enter x, okay, and y as well. Okay, fine. So we are going to enter these two values, and I want to have this value in the int format, so I'm just providing int here as well. I've already covered this in my previous videos, and if you are just jumping to this video, then you need to see all the videos series wise, then only will get to understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so suppose we are we want to get input from the users in case of x and y. So yeah, and we are going to print some condition based on that. Suppose if x is greater than y, then we need to print x is greater than y, okay? Else, which we were not doing in our earlier video, else print y is greater than x, which will be the case eventually. So we are just going to save this program and we are going to run. Now we are giving some value. So for x I'm giving value 45. Wait, sorry, 45, right? And for y I'm giving 49. Okay, so we can just clearly see that it's printing the statement which is given in the else statement. The reason being, the wait, yeah, the condition is not true. We wanted the condition to have x greater than y, but based on the input what we have provided, this condition will be executed. It's very simple. We don't need to think that much about it, right? So it's pretty much simple. And if this condition is true, suppose we do this, okay, or no, it will also do justice, and it will be also given as an example. Suppose if we are giving a value which is, we are inserting some value in x which is greater than y, suppose, okay, so in this case x will be greater than y. It's very simple, and we can easily understand that. So yeah, so yes, yeah, so this is a very simple example of if and else statement. If this condition is not going to be print, then print this. It's very simple, and I think we are clear with this. And based on this, what we can do is that we can also make a program in order to find a value which is even or odd, right? And this is a very classic example of if else statement, so we are going to make that. Yeah, so for that what we are going to do is we are going to I'm just copying this program here, because for my code I need to provide everything in my GitHub repository, which I'm going to share as well very soon. So yeah, in this video now the next thing what we are going to do is that we are going to make a program where if a user is giving a number, and based on that number we need to find whether this number is even or odd. So suppose we are taking a value as int input enter your number. Okay, so yeah, it's okay. Wait, I need to put one more bracket. Now it's complete. Okay, so yeah, so there should be condition. Now we know that a number will be even if it is divided by 2 and it is giving 0 as the remainder, right? So we will just simply write n modulus 2 n modulus 2 equals which is the assignment operator in this case. Okay, if this is the case, yeah, then I don't know why it is coming. Let's see. Prompt is equals to none. This marks preceding arguments as positional only. Read a string from a standard output. I don't know why it's coming. So yeah, so but it's distracting me so much. Okay, fine. So if yeah, so in this case print n is even. It's very simple. Else in that case the number will be odd, so we need to print n is odd, right? Now we are entering first an even number and it's printing n is even. Once again I'm going to save this program, run this program, sorry. Yeah, so in this case let's enter an odd number, right? So I'm just inserting 15 and it's printing n is odd. Yeah, so I think it's very clear that how if and else statement works. And if this condition is true, then the it will get out of this if else block and it will work again. For example, if I write something here like print suppose if I take a new variable, right, and I assign the value 12, okay, and I just want to print it x as well. So what it will do, just let me show you. Wait, for that I just need to open this console plus idle as well parallelly. So let me resize it a bit. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Yeah, so suppose if I am entering a number which is, let's say, first we want to take even number, right? So first it is printing n is even, and after that it's printing 12. Okay, so if this condition is true, then it's not going to print this condition. It's very clear. And if we are run this program once again, and if you are giving an odd number, in this case also it is not going to print this, it is going to print this, and after this it will print this value, that is the value of the x, right? So I think we are pretty much clear with if and else statement, and in the next video I'm going to talk about something else. Not this if else statement, but something else which is in addition to if else statement. So thank you for watching this video, and do tell me what should I include next, or keep sharing with me as well what you are learning. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you.